Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this third day of November 2025. And it was a pretty boisterous day in the market again today. So the trade's very simple. We use the same, we could have taken any of these strong candle indicators. That one right there is massive and brilliant. But there's another one right here, which is even, I think is even better. I love these inside strong candles with half the volume of the previous candle. The next candle tends to go very, very well. And you can see in the first minute of the first second of the next candle, it's already retraced up. So we're going to take our order and we're going to put it underneath the current candle. Wait for it to fail at the brick walls, come back and pick us up and see how far short it can go. Now, I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 60 and 80 ticks in length. So we're going to use our normal ATM. We're going to go for 16s, 30s, and then we're going to throw a 90 tick target out there just to see how we do. And here's how it all went down in the room today. And we'll let it go at regular speed until we get picked up, and then we'll speed it up a little bit. There we go. All right. We're looking pretty good. Our stop needs to go where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, which is up there. We're going to de-risk the trade as soon as our first target gets hit. So we're only leaving it up there for a very short period of time. This will come through, take us out at 16s. Then you'll see what happens when it gets going. So it touched our target, didn't pay. Now it's going to come through again. Once it gets rolling, it rolls very, very well. So you see we're a minute and a half into the candle, almost 2 minutes into the candle. Our first target's been hit. Our stop comes to a break-even position. Our first two targets are out. And now we'll see if we can get a longer target. It's a pretty big target, 90 ticks with a 70 PVI. It's a little bit more than we can expect on this candle, but you never know. That's why they call them runners. See if it'll run. I mean, it's a pretty big move down. We failed a number of times all the way up here. So this move down is expected, actually. So we'll see how it actually off runs out here. Pretty sure it went to 90s, but can't remember everything. So we'll see how it goes. Up, there you go. Boom. All right, that trade took a little less than 5 minutes and was worth 765 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 765 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come join us at samuraidaytrading.com. We have a whole trading course for you if you want. You can get access to the live trading room, get access to this amazing indicator, the strong candle indicator, which when used properly is just so helpful when you're trading. So come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless, and we'll see you then.